Today, we will see the financial wisdom of the Oracle of Omaha as we unravel the strategic choices of a legendary investor, steering clear of conventional wisdom. Warren Buffett is an iconic veteran business personality who has inspired several investors with his genius investing moves. With the help of his experience and profit-winning instinct, new investors can also take good guidelines for their bright future. Let's get started with the 5 best profitable assets of Warren Buffett. Investing luminary Warren Buffett, who acquired his first stock at 11 in 1942, has etched his legacy as one of history's most prosperous investors. Over 80 years, his adeptness in value investing has propelled him to amass a staggering net worth of $117 billion, even after philanthropic contributions exceeding $50 billion since 2006. Buffett's transparent approach to investing reveals itself through Berkshire Hathaway, BKB. The conglomerate publicly discloses its top stock holdings quarterly, offering investors a unique insight into the portfolio of the Oracle of Omaha. Amid Berkshire Hathaway's 48 holdings, 8 stocks command approximately 80% of the conglomerate's investments. For those aspiring to emulate Buffett's strategy in 2023, these top holdings provide a strategic roadmap into the mind of one of the world's preeminent investors. With a market capitalization of $2.7 trillion and a year-to-date performance of 39%, Apple stands as a technological behemoth in Berkshire Hathaway's investment portfolio. Apple is well known for creating recognizable consumer electronics, such as the Mac computer, iPad, iPhone, and Apple Watch. But its impact goes beyond hardware sales. In 2022, the tech giant raked in $79.4 billion in revenue from services, showcasing its diversified income streams. Notably, Berkshire's substantial investment in Apple, totaling $173.2 billion, is the conglomerate's most extensive public stock holding by a significant margin. Warren Buffett's initial purchase of Apple shares in 2016 has proven prescient, with the stock's value surging over 600% since then, underscoring the success of Berkshire's strategic alignment with Apple's enduring market dominance. Of $239 billion, Coca-Cola is the world's premier non-alcoholic beverage company within the consumer staples sector. Despite a challenging year-to-date performance of 12%, Coca-Cola's resilience remains evident in its extensive brand portfolio, featuring iconic names like Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta, Dasani, Vitamin Water, Powerade, and Minute Maid. Warren Buffett's enduring confidence in Coca-Cola dates back to 1988, marking it as Berkshire Hathaway's oldest current stock holding. Over the years, Buffett's steadfast approach is evident, having accumulated 100 million KO stock by 1994, with no shares sold since. Now, almost 3 decades and 4 stock splits later, Berkshire's unwavering stake in Coca-Cola has grown to 400 million shares, reflecting a substantial $25 billion valuation. The company's ability to weather market fluctuations underscores its timeless appeal as a cornerstone asset in Buffett's diversified investment portfolio. Occidental Petroleum, a major player in the U.S. oil and gas exploration sector, holds a market capitalization of $55 billion with a year-to-date performance of 2%. Buffett's entry into Occidental dates back to 2019, marked by Berkshire Hathaway's pivotal role in financing Occidental's $35.7 billion acquisition of Anadarko Petroleum. Berkshire's investment included $10 billion in Occidental preferred stock, yielding approximately $800 million in annual dividends and warrants for 83.9 million additional shares. Buffett's continued accumulation of Occidental shares underscores his strategic move into the energy market. Notably, the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission's approval for Berkshire to acquire up to a 50% ownership stake in Occidental signals a potential expansion of Buffett's investment in this critical sector, showcasing his confidence in Occidental's long-term growth and profitability. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow financial enthusiasts, and of course, subscribe for more content. Your journey towards financial literacy is our top priority, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay financially empowered, stay curious, and stay subscribed to The Financial Aura. Cheers.